do rake db migrate to create all the tables necessary. Okay, and then I'm also going to seed the data with the seed file I created. Create a couple authors and books so that they can be displayed on the website. Okay, and just before we take a look at the app that I created, I'm going to show you a couple of scope methods that I created, so that way you could filter and rearrange the authors by their last name. So let me clear this out so it's easier to read. Okay, so we could rearrange the authors alphabetically. And as you can see, here we go, authors' names are listed alphabetically by the C's, and then it goes to D. And also you could search for the authors by the letter that it starts with. So let's see, I want to see an author that starts with A. Let's hopefully, I don't know if I created an author with an A, but let's see. Okay, let's try C. Okay, here it shows that there's two authors with the letter C, so that way if you want to look them up by that way and you didn't know how to spell it, that'd be a good way to search for them. Okay. Now I'm going to launch a server so that we can take a look at it. Okay. Alright guys, so this is Białowiez Bookstore. I have it set up so that way you can browse through the different books here, like you can look at the title and the author, but you can't click on any additional information. Like if you click on this image, it'll show you like additional information about the book with some data I created with FakerGem. But for this app, I wanted it restricted so that way you have to create an account or sign in via OmniAuth with GitHub. So let's do that first. So you sign in via OmniAuth, and as you can see, I have it displayed in the view, so that way it'll show your first name and the email. So that way it shows that you successfully logged in. And now you can see when you click on this image, you can click on the books view, and it'll show some additional information. Like this is all fake data that I created with FakerGem, so this looks just some made up title. I mean, this will be replaced with real data if if I create like an actual bookstore. But so this is the price, the genre, metafiction, and then some summary. What hipster ipsum. And this is other cool thing they have features, so that way you could change the quantity of the books. And let's say you want to go to like the shopping cart. Let's say your shopping cart's empty, and since you're logged in, it'll change dynamically. Whoops, let me go here. Okay, let's just add one. And it'll show the price and the quantity of the book that you've selected. You could also delete it in case you decide you don't want to keep it in your shopping cart. A prompt will come up just to warn you. Say sure, and then it'll say your shopping cart's empty. Okay, so let's add two just to show you that it takes into account the quantity. So there you go. And the other cool thing too is I have a method here called calculate total, which will change the quantity of which will change the price of the price total of the shopping cart based on the amount of quantity of the books that you select. Okay, so let me add one more just to make it make sure that it works. Let's add 100. Okay, so you go. Here's the price. Okay, let's log out. Here's an about page. And this just takes you to some additional information about the forest I named the app after, which is a forest in Poland. Okay. So as you can see, we're logged out, so you can't log back in. Just type in something and then validations will kick in and say it's incorrect. Okay. So let's sign up. Let's sign up for a new user account. So go to the user controller. So let's say, and I have some validations set up too, so that way it won't let the bad data persist to the database in case some fields are empty or the password's not enough. So I have like a placeholder here where it says 6 to 12 characters are needed, and it'll confirm it over here. So let's say my name is Daniel. Dan@gmail.com. And I'll just type in a random password. As you can see, I can access the restricted part of the website. Yeah, so there you go. And the other thing to notice too is that it doesn't take into account the shopping cart items that I added to the shopping cart for when I logged in via OmniAuth. This is a different account, and it is a brand new shopping cart instance created for this particular user. Okay, just one more thing to show before I wrap up this walkthrough. One thing I forgot to show, I want to show the validations that pop up when you don't properly fill out the data. When you don't properly fill out the form for the information. So it's not going to post because you have to fill out the form properly, the form fields properly. Okay, so let's type in Jeff. There you go. Pass is too short. Next, as you can see, when you don't type in the password properly in the confirmation field, it'll show up and give you an alert that says that it didn't match it properly. And there you go. Logged in as Jeff at Yahoo. Shopping cart's empty. And there you go. It doesn't include any of the shopping cart items from the other two users that I created. As you could, just a reminder, you could delete this and browse through. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it.